Morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is April 10th. We are exactly 1 month from leaving on our cruise on the MSC Preziosa. We are going to London and Paris and Amsterdam and Belgium, and we come in and out of Hamburg, Germany. So I'm super excited, but I need to pick up a few things. So today I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. If you have ever visited my blog, you know that one of the most visited posts on my blog is Dollar Tree shopping for a cruise. I always stop there before a cruise just to pick up a few essentials. So today is that day, and let's get going.
These clips are really great for hanging stuff to your cabin walls since they're magnetic. If you need a small flashlight, then the Dollar Tree is the place to go. They have these power strips that come with 3 outlets, which are good because there's no surge protection. Sometimes I like to stock up on necessities like razors, cotton balls, and cotton rounds here because you get a lot for a little. I usually like to get these plastic toothpaste bottles, but they're a little too big at 4.6 ounces, so I'm gonna get something a little smaller. Let's see, how about this Crest? It is 2.9 ounces, perfect. They have these eye masks if you're taking an overnight flight, but these that come with the earplugs are much better. I like to pick up some of these bath poofs for our trips, but these that are only 2 for $1 are much better quality. This is the place to come if you need antibacterial wipes. I have some of these Kleenex wipes already, but I'm still going to need to pick up some antibacterial wipes. Sometimes I like to get these individual packs of name brand medication just to keep in my carry-on. I'm gonna need some melatonin for the trip since it's an overnight flight, but I think I prefer these gummies. I have used the laundry bags from here, but they're not the greatest. If you find a pop-up hamper though, those are excellent. Okay, let's talk about these travel bottles. The ones with the pop-top lids are not great. I've had those leak on me a lot, but these with the spray top are really excellent. These clips are really great for keeping your towel attached to your beach chair when it's really windy. Now it's time to pick up some snacks for the plane. If you're looking for an air freshener for your cabin, I used these once and it worked really well.
Thank you guys so much for coming along with me to the Dollar Tree. I had to do a little sneaky filming, so there's probably going to be some voiceover, but I hope it's all good. And let's go home and I'll show you what I got. Okay, I am back home and got some goodies from the Dollar Tree. So let me start in this bag. So the first thing I got was one of these Jot file folders. I like to keep these on hand because these things are great for organizing your documents. If anybody saw my pre-Italy haul from last year, you noticed that I had all of our cruise documents in something like this. So I had like our train tickets and our hotel reservations and excursions, anything we had, and then in the back I put our cruise documents and our luggage tags. So everything was in one handy case that I could just grab out of my carry-on bag. Next, I got some of these bath poofs.
I like to pick these up and throw them in our suitcase just in case our hotel doesn't have washcloths. I used to live in Germany, so I know that some hotels are notorious for not having washcloths and just providing towels. So I like to have those in my suitcase just in case. And I also kind of like to use them on the cruise as well. So I'm not dirtying up 5 or 6 washcloths a day, but I like washing my face, washing my body, blah, blah, blah. Next I got were some of these quart-sized bags. I have the plastic bags, the plastic zipper bags for the TSA liquids from Amazon, but I take a few of these just in case the zipper breaks or something happens and I need to transfer my stuff out of that bag and into something else. Next, I got some of these Antibacterial Wet Wipes. I hadn't seen this brand before and just thought I'd try them. I like to wipe down the seat on the airplane and then like a few things in our cruise cabin when we first get there, just to be safe. I also got some lens cleaning wipes. So for like my camera lens or my phone lens, or I just recently started wearing glasses again. So for my glasses, these will come in handy to just throw a couple of those in my purse. Next, I got a couple of these audio cables. We have noise canceling headphones for the plane, but in order to plug into the seatback entertainment system, you have to have an audio cable. And we've been on 2 transatlantic flights recently, and on both times I've broken my audio cable. You know, like when you're trying to crawl over somebody to get to the restroom or something. I'm notorious for like yanking it out or bending it. When we went to Germany the last time, I had to find a German like Best Buy type place and buy a audio cable, and those are hard to find and very expensive. So these were $1 and just keep them in my bag just in case. Also for the plane, I got some of these restful sleep gummies. They're just melatonin, 5 milligrams of melatonin, and they help me sleep on the plane because going over to Germany is an overnight flight. So we arrive in the morning. I'd like to be able to get some sleep so we can manage the train system, being alert and aware and not completely groggy and not knowing what the heck we're doing. Next, you probably saw in the video that I picked up some of that Crest toothpaste, but then I remembered that my husband likes Aquafresh, so I went back and switched it out for this one. I like these because they are exactly 3 ounces, so they are the most that I can put in my liquids bag, and it lasts both of us for the whole week and sometimes even longer. This is not from the Dollar Tree, but I did run in Walmart and get some new hand sanitizer. These are only $1 and they're in the where the travel stuff is at Walmart, so I like to have some of this on hand. And then the only other thing I got, let me make sure, yeah. The only other thing I got was a few snacks. I have a gluten intolerance, you probably have noticed from like other videos or my blog if you've read it. So I have requested a gluten-free meal on the flight over and on the flight back. Does that mean I'll get it? Maybe, maybe not. But I don't want to be a pain in the butt, so I like to carry my own snacks. So I got some almonds. These are okay. They're not the greatest, but they're okay. These I really like, these peas. And I think I still have another bag. I only got one because I think I still have another bag in our travel snack stash. So there'll be one for me and one for my husband. And then, like I said, it is an overnight flight. So when we get to Germany, it will be morning and I'm gonna want a pastry or something, and I shouldn't eat a pastry even though I really, really want one. So instead, I got a few cereal choices. Got Honey Nut Cheerios and Lucky Charms. I'm gonna make a decision and take one, but I like having these bags on hand because these are gluten-free cereals that I can eat without milk. I can just eat them right out of the bag, and it'll satiate my need for breakfast and keep me moving all the way to Hamburg. And then lastly, this is the last thing. I got some gum. just because I like to chew gum on the plane so my ears don't pop, and I've been having a lot of sinus issues, so the least amount of pressure in my ears, the better. So this is the last thing I got. And yeah, that is definitely it. So that is all I got from the Dollar Tree. I want to thank you guys again for coming with me to the Dollar Tree and watching my video and staying till the very end. If you want to see more videos like this, or you want to see our cruise when we go in May, I would really love it if you would stick around and subscribe. Maybe give this video a thumbs up so I know you like these kind of videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.